there has been exciting news. I don't know if you guys heard about it. There is a new printer that was launched by Instax, and it's a wide printer. So it's called the Link Wide, and it prints wide pictures. So you finally have the option to print really big instant prints with all the awesome photographs that you've taken. And I thought it makes such a nice, extension onto, you shoot your photographs, in camera, and then you can immediately print them. And, there you go, all your memories, in a super easy workflow. I was very excited to hear about that.
A lot of people that are watching may not know, but Natalie actually is you're like an official Instax photographer, right? Ish.
Yeah, I think you can say that. It sounds really serious, but yeah.
Yeah. There's been printers for the smaller Instax film. I forget what they call it, just the regular smaller size. But the wide one, which is a bigger size, there hasn't been a printer for it. There's been a lot of people wanting a printer for it, and finally Fujifilm, made one. So, which is great. But one thing that I've had people tell me is that they shoot Fujifilm X cameras, but they don't print their pictures in this traditional way. They actually will print them. They'll capture them in their, whatever X100F or whatever camera they have, and then they will print them on their Instax printer and make instant Instax pictures using film simulation recipes.
Yes.
And now you can do that with the bigger size.
Yes. Now you can go big.
And you can absolutely use the film simulation recipes in your camera and then use that to print an instant photo. It's actually pretty amazing.
It is. It totally is.
Yeah.
So yeah, we just wanted to throw that in there because I'm super excited about it, and I want to make you guys super excited about it. And we can all now shoot, no edit, print, all in one go.
Yeah, and I bet you that there's people watching right now that had never even considered, you can do this. But yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you can, print your Instax instant film pictures using film simulation recipes from your camera. It's really cool.
Yes, you must try it. It's absolutely phenomenal.
So I hope to see you guys then, and just we appreciate you being a part of this, and I'm looking forward to the next episode on the 18th, you said, of November. Goodbye, Natalie. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, Ritchie. All the best.